Alden, it's your update for Wiltec and grand celebration just sa Glorieta Mall.
Yun, okay naman. So sa ngayon po, siyempre napapanood ko rin po sa Netflix and sa Jenny gabi-gabi pulang araw. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung message natin yan. And then, first, kakatapos na namin gawin yung Melola again. And then, magsastart na tayo ng promo tour sa bawang pa kami. Iikot na tayo. Speaking of ikot, Brooks, nice to see you again after a few months, diba? Now, sabi mo kasing ikot na, diba? We are also very eager to know kung meron ba mga road adventure plans very soon. Well, talaga ako, nag-i-enjoy ko yung mga long drives. Especially although hindi ko pa yan na-try. Mas very inclined talaga dyan sa yung father ko. So, hopefully, of course, bigyan sa akin ng Wiltec na magpapasito a few years ago. Still, nagagamit pa rin natin ang first kami dalawa ng dad ko. So, nagpapasalamat po kami. And then, talagang very trusted ang Wiltec when it comes to motorcycles. And so, hindi ko ako, baka hindi ko pa natutry kasi magmotor papuntang North Park. Kasi doon madalas yung pupunta yung mga riders eh. So hopefully one of these days, pag hindi na masyadong busy, norte tayo. Ayun, sige. Speaking of norte, kung meron kang dream destination, umumotorin mo sa norte, saan ang unahin mo? Tingin Pagudpud Beach. Pagudpud Beach. O, asa na mga kapusog natin na yung ano? Ano ba? Hello? Maraming magandang kwento ako narinig kasi sa mga riders na lumakaan sa route niya. Ayan. So, mas marami magiging magandang kwento, lalo na natin, kung tuloy ka na bumukod this na nakamotor. Now, this is our first time to do it, right? I think this is my third event. Yes, the first time we met here was in 2019. How does it always feel to be celebrating the Wiltec? Iba kasi I've been to a few events already of Wiltec and parang isang buong pamilya talaga. Very warm, it's very accommodating, especially yung nagiging treatment sa amin ng Odulio brothers and of course the Odulio family. And I will never forget that I was, being able to be part of the Wiltec family kahit paano. So, I really enjoy going to the events and medyo don't overdo na to, pero syempre with the schedule na na-permit, nakapunta tayo ngayon dito. Eksakto, 50th anniversary ba ng Wiltec. Alright, now Alden, we're very eager to know since you've been part of many celebrations of Wiltec, ano naman mensahe mo sa bawat taong bubuo ng Wiltec ngayon na nakating tayo sa milestone of 50 years? It's never easy naman talaga in all businesses to reach this far. But with persistence and perseverance, especially with creative minds, and yung willingness mo talaga to sell good products to the Filipino market, I think you will reach success. And it always boils down to good intentions, which the Odulio family has. Never ako nakaramdam ng awkwardness and pagiging iba pag sila yung nakakasama ko. Kahit ang tagal na hindi nakita sila sa Sir Rosco. And nakakatuwa lang talaga na, being part of a milestone, dumaan lang ako dito as guest. Nakaka-proud pa rin talaga. And really goes to show that hard work really
picture mo lang, pampo.
All the things.
Landscape.
Congratulations po first to the Odulio family. And first Wiltec Philippines, congratulations. And also that goes to all of the employees of Wiltec. Para pa kayo ba? Mabuhay po kayo? Grabe! You all made this far. Diba? Well, we don't feel that you are a guest anymore. You are a family to Wiltec. Thank you. So salamat for always giving your time. And right now, of course, projects na gano'n pala ba? Diba? You're going around the Philippines. What is something na aabangan talaga namin sa iyo ngayon, Abel? I think for this year talaga, sa ito ko lang araw, yung Melola pa din. Yes! It's coming soon on cinemas. It's coming November 13 na po. And we're very excited to, ano na ba ang nangyari sa kwento ni Joy? Yun yung we're very excited to tell them. Nakita niyo naman yung teaser? Nakita niyo naman yung teaser? Joy's Gun na ba? Yan ang first one. So, yun po. It's gonna be exciting for all of us. So first, we're gonna share the experience and retell the story of Joy and Ethan sa panibagong panahon. Ano na nga ba nangyari sa kanila after 5 years? And sino na ba sila ngayon as a couple? And sino na sila individually as a person? Okay. Ngayon, hindi pa kakaligtas si Alden sa tanong na to kasi kahapon ito yung babat na tanong talaga eh, di ba? Alden, ha? Marami nag-aabang. Kanina, pauwi na iba dyan eh, pero ayun, ibo na naman sila. Okay, how's your heart now? Happy? Happy ba? Happy tayo. Ano tayo? Kailangan laging happy. Happiness is a choice. So, palagi naman. Manili ko lang palagi kay atin yan. Happy na siya palagi sa life. Siyempre. And of course, Alden, we want to capture this moment with you. We'd like to invite, of course, our Vice President, Sir Roscoe, of course, Sir John, Sir Raymond. Yan. Sige, para magpalapasin to na tayo selfie. Yes, of course. With everyone.
Alden Richard. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para mga update po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.